Today for the Bitcoin price, I am here with the cameras and I found something in the charts and I have to talk about that right now. Jokes aside, let's talk about Bitcoin, because as you already see in the title, the last hours are ticking for Bitcoin, and whether this is something bullish or whether this is something bearish, we will be talking about that because there is a new pattern evolving on the charts, and I want to show you whether we are going to break towards the upside or towards the downside. I will talk about my price targets and about my current trades and my future trade. I am planning right now to open for Bitcoin. Wait here until the very end where I will be also talking about 3 specific altcoins I'm keeping an eye on, and one of them I bought a few $100,000 US worth. I will be talking about that. So let's get straight into the content, and just a quick reminder guys, if you go down to the pinned comment down below, you will find this comment here, $1,610 US for free. It was like always 700 or so. Now I actually reach out to these exchanges and I make sure that you get the highest bonuses possible on YouTube, and you can see $1,610 US on Binance, $700 US on Phoenix 200, and on Binance Future $710 US. Just go down below to the pinned comment, click the link, and after your initial deposit you get these bonuses for free. $1,600 at a 30x leverage. If you only trade the bonus, this is a $48,000 US trade completely for free. Take advantage of that in the pinned comment, and of course, you are always eligible if you are clicking my link there for all future bonuses as well. And the nicest thing is, well, for example, on Binance, if you already have an account but you want the bonus, just click my link down below, make a new account, and you can claim the bonus as well. And now let's go into links here, and let's go into the other charts here and talk about what's happening for Bitcoin. And this is the 3-day chart. Actually, I want to elaborate on the 3-day chart just in a bit. First of all, I want to start in the immediate with the immediate short term for Bitcoin, but the 3-day chart is actually the most interesting one here. First of all, you can see here maybe something like a bull flag is forming, but I'm telling you guys, when in doubt, zoom out, because a bull flag is of course very bullish for Bitcoin, breaks out towards the upside much more often than towards the downside. A very great thing. The price target is, guys, what a surprise, surprise, surprise. Look at this, guys. Once again, we have here a price target of $70,000 US, exactly, once again in perfect alignment with the 1.618 I mentioned earlier. It's in alignment with the AB equals CD move. It's in alignment with the cup and handle breakout pattern. It's basically in alignment with everything. This is what the charts are screaming right now. And well, this seems to be bullish, but I have here some turning point for you, so stick here with me just a little bit more, guys. First of all, you can see here also, I was mentioning yesterday, I ring all the alarm bells once we are breaking below this support here, and look at this, we perfectly bounced here. So far, no alarm bells are ringing, and we are also supported, even on the 4-hourly, no candle close below my support box here, by my green support box. So far, nothing bad has happened. I know we dumped yesterday. I know it was a little bit unforeseeable, but in the end of the day, everything is fine. Bitcoin remains to be in this bullish upwards trajectory with higher lows for Bitcoin. However, guys, on the 3-day candles, there is something I just feel obligated to talk to you. Let me quickly pull that out. And by the way, I'm a little bit sick, guys. Support me with some likes, guys. Support me with likes, with shares, with comments. I truly appreciate that, guys. And I can promise you almost that I'm getting well faster if you are giving me this love in the comment section. Just make noise for the algorithm. So what I wanted to talk about is this. Look at this. A potential, not perfect, so wait. A potential rising wedge looming on the 3-day candles. As you can see it here, and ignore the bottom trend line, it's only valid on the linear chart actually, but this is a legit rising wedge. I'm not saying that this is gonna play out, but the higher the time frame, the more significant. If Bitcoin were to break, and here it's important to break our important trend line here. This is the trend line, and right now on this 3-day candles, the price level would be among the 58,000. If Bitcoin breaks and closes below the $58,000 US, the likelihood significantly increases that we are getting a wick down to 43,000. Not saying this is gonna happen. We need to hold the line here. This is the line in the sand, but this is definitely something to look out for in case Bitcoin would be breaking out. Rising wedge is a bearishly biased pattern, but you know the deal with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin just doesn't care about that. If Bitcoin were to break out, $81,000 US would be our price target. Definitely, guys, regardless what you're doing, let me quickly turn that around. And by the way, here in the middle of the desert, I think that's Ras Al Khaimah on the way to Dubai. If you're trading that, take profits below the price target. If you want to short it, I'm not shorting in a bull market. If you want to do it, wait for the confirmation sign, wait for the close, wait for the break below, for the confirmation of the previous support, which is then turning into resistance, and only then it's a legit trade. Otherwise, shorting Bitcoin, you are involved in fake outs like all the time. This is why I'm not doing that, and this is why the MMCrypto community is the most successful and most profitable community in the world. Rule number 1 by Warren Buffett is don't lose money. Rule number 2 by Warren Buffett is don't forget rule number 1. Now let's go into the altcoin section. And guys, quick reminder again, if you want to trade the upcoming volatility, whether it's on Bitcoin or on altcoins, go down in the pinned comment, and this link here gives you $1,610 US in the pinned comment down below. On Bybit, $700. This is the highest bonus you can get on YouTube. Then you have the Binance link, $710 in total, $1,610 US. If you just scroll below the video at the very first pinned comment, click the link. You have to click it once, email address, password. After 20 seconds you have your account after initial deposit, $1,610 US completely for free. You can only use the free bonus. I think that's a fair deal. You get a bonus, we get a bonus. It's a nice thing to support yourself and also support us here on the sidelines. Let's go back to the chart, and I wanted to tell you, I talked about Dogecoin yesterday, and look at how Dogecoin is dumping. I was giving you this big warning. Of course, I was not sure, like it can always pump more, but I was basically showing you this this chart here on the weekly actually, but on the 3-day you see it as well. When Dogecoin pumps, it always dumps, right? Against US dollar, it's just a huge success story. But against Bitcoin, look at it. It always goes down. This is just something I wanted you to keep in mind. Altcoin number 1, no call involved here. Let's talk about Monero. Much more important in my opinion. This is one for the long term. This is one I'm really looking out for. And as you remember, I was actually predicting and calling that I was buying few $100,000 US worth of Monero here exactly at the bottom. I don't think that I was the bottom indicator. Yeah, I don't think that it reversed because of me, but exactly here where I posted it, it pumped towards the upside for good. And I want to prove it to you guys. Let me go over to the Twitter post here. Look at this on the 4th of April 2021. Go to the chart, fact check it yourself. I told you I just bought $250,000 worth of Monero XMR for the long term, and look at this here. Exactly at the bottom, exactly at the freaking bottom here, and afterwards it went up even against Bitcoin already like 30% or so. So congratulations for everyone who is involved here in these trades, who got into that trade, who is following me over on Twitter, of course. And the question is, what is the price target here in the immediate short term? Well, if you want to treat this as a W pattern, you can just pull that out here, and then it just broke out. Of course, always be a little bit cautious, but no matter which wick you are taking, it's not the most beautiful W, but it is definitely a W pattern. If you are taking it here, then well, of course you don't get the same entry price if you are not subscribed to our Twitter channel, but still you get the W breakout, and then well, there's still like a 20-25% upside for this for Monero priced in Bitcoin. And as you know, with these links down below, you can not only, let me quickly go back, you can not only trade Bitcoin, you can also trade the altcoins on Bybit or on Femex or on Binance futures down below. If you click these links, you can trade, you can long and short Bitcoin, and you can long and short also altcoins with the free bonus given down below in the comment sections. So last ending point here is of course Binance coin, which I want to talk about, of course. If you have a look at Binance coin, and guys, give me this feedback if you want me to talk about Ethereum again. I'm still holding my Ethereum. Make sure you smash up the like button to 10,000 likes, and I will make an Ethereum video just for you guys. As you can see here, well, the question is this pump already over? Look at this, guys. This is the 3-day candles, and it is just never going down. Binance is never giving people a chance to get back in. Why is that? Well, Binance is traded only on one exchange. They are like controlling the price movements at least a little bit with. So Binance itself has a beautiful use case, beautiful use cases. It's one of the best exchanges, if not the best exchange out there. And this is the reason why we are not really getting these wipeouts, and why we are not getting liquidation weeks and so on, because Binance biggest, let me quickly go back. I'll talk about my price target as well. Biden's biggest goal is making this asset top 3, top 2 right? They really want to get all the way up, and they don't need your money from liquidation rigs, and I think that is why they're just constantly pushing the price up, which can be considered good, which can be considered bad. I'm holding some Binance coin, you know, I published that also over on Twitter, but in the end of the day, Bitcoin is king, and Binance coin is still a speculation for me. A very good one, a very profitable one so far, and I feel like I'm not owning enough, but I'm not jumping on a hype train too late. I'm happy with the ones I'm having down below, I'm having already. Of course, I'm expecting higher prices for Binance coin. I was quoting actually $2,000 with DaVinci J15. People were laughing at us when we were saying that at $100, at $120. Now it seems actually very achievable. It's just a 3 something X from here, or like, yeah, 3 something X from here. So really possible, $2,000. That's what I'm calling for that. Also, guys, quickly, if you want to follow me on my private journeys when we were with these cameras and so on, follow me at MMCrypto with a blue verification check mark, link down below in the pinned comment. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.